Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Papercrafting. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to move my coffee. In today's video, we are going to be doing my first month of the Memory Dex. And I just want to show you that yes, the paper straws from Dollar Tree worked. I had to add, oh, let me see, put my glasses on. You see that? Yeah, I had to add just a small bit that I cut off from another piece, and then I just taped it on. And then it's a little, it was a little wider than it needed to be because I wanted it to be tight. Right now they're not in the right spot because I don't have a Memory Dex card. And once I have the card in, it'll go back in the right spot. I had the temporary card in. I don't even know what I did with it. I took it out and it flew out of my hand and flew in the garbage. So I had that in. We're going to be using, I was going to just grab random papers, but then I decided I should find a collection that I could use all year long. So I had this what is this called? Telling Our Story, which I thought was perfect. And hopefully I can use it for more than just 1 year. Hopefully I have enough left. But I have the solids. I have the collection kit. I have chipboard, puffy stickers, ephemera, and a sticker book. And then today's memory for January is my poor little Sammy. This was the last photo I took of Sammy. It's not going to stay on this paper. I can't find my photo paper, my 4x6 photo paper. I would have sworn to you guys that I just found the package the other day when I was down here, but I can't find it anywhere. So I need to buy more photo paper. So right now it's a placeholder on this regular paper. Jeez Louise, I cannot think. So I'm going to cut everything out on my Joy so I can have it done here. So I'm going to cut out the base of the Memory Dex, and my Memory Dex SVG file I have uses 3 pieces of paper. And I do have some, let me take this out, hold on. Okay, so then you don't have to hear that. We have different colors here. That match the collection because it's for the collection. I think I'm going to use this color right here for the base. And then I'm going to use patterned paper for the different layers. So let's see what we got here, what we can use. Let's use those hearts. I want to use this rainbow striped for the paw print that I'm cutting out. Or do I want to use that for the one of the layers and then use this plaid for the paw print? I think I'll use the plaid for the paw print, and then I will also use this background or this background for the paw print. All right, I'm going to bring my Joy over and cut all of this off screen because I need to use my Cricut software to do it. So I'll be back. Okay, so before I do that, I'm just going to come on and show you that I'm going to, I cannot speak this morning, you guys. It's early. It's early, and frankly, losing Sammy happened on Wednesday, and today's only Saturday. So, things are still a little hard for me over here. So I'm going to go do a 3x3 square for the paw print. I made a paw print ages ago to send my brother a I'm gonna do this one, I think. Send my brother a card because his dog, they lost his dog. So I made this paw print, but now what I did, I still need this for the background. Now what I did was put an offset on it, so I had a background. I'm just gonna do a 3x3. Okay, so I just wanted to pop on and show you that I am cutting everything down to size, and this one's for the paw print. I might have to rework this because I just realized that maybe I shouldn't use the same background on the same background. So I might switch to that. We will see. We'll see when I cut out. I'll be back. Okay, so fun fact. My Cricut mat was not sticky by the time I cut this one, so it slipped and stopped. The paper slipped and I was not cutting another piece of paper, so I just trimmed it as best as I could. So we're just going to move on with our day, you guys. Also, as I was putting my Cricut mat off to the side, I found the last little bit of my photo paper. So I printed out the photo of Sammy on printer paper. Okay. So that is our card so far. I have a picture of Sammy that I did cut a border. I might cut that border down a little bit thinner. So today is Saturday, January 24th. I had to think. And this is the last video I had to film for February. And of course, I had to wait till the end of the month till I had memory to record. But guys, it's Saturday. Tomorrow we are supposed to start getting some, actually like 1 a.m. tonight is supposed to start, and we are getting like 18 inches of snow. I'm not looking forward to it. The boyfriend's work already closed. They're already closed. The kid doesn't work tomorrow, but they're already talking about closing McDonald's. And I said, well, Monday he's not going in anyway either because it's still going to be snowing. It's supposed to snow until 1 p.m. on Monday, like 1 a.m. tonight to 1 p.m. on Monday. Also, my kid hasn't got his car back yet. As of this point, he'll have it back by the time you guys see this, but ooh, was he mad. He's like, the storm, they said they couldn't get it back to me because of the storm. What does the storm have to do with anything? I said, maybe getting parts. I don't know. Like, relax. You're not driving listen, you're not driving anywhere anyway for the next how many days. Relax. Nobody should be going anywhere. Guys, if there's snow coming, don't go anywhere. There's no point unless you are an essential worker. You don't have to go anywhere. So there is my little paw print. I did this one myself, and it's just an upside down heart and ovals. Look how cute it looks. It looks very cute. I want to prop that like right there. And this right there. And then the little paw print like so. And then let's look to see what kind of stuff we have. What about these little chipboard hearts right here? I'm treating this like I would treat a scrapbook page. Get rid of this because everything is going right back. I'm only going to do 3 hearts because the rule of 3s, you guys. And I might do a heart on the back where I do my journaling, because I do have to journal. So actually, before I put any of this stuff on, let me journal on the back. Okay, well, I didn't cry writing that, so I'm not going to read it to you guys because I don't want to cry. As I said, it's still so fresh. I kind of want to put, I made enough room in the box. What did I do with the, it's right next to me. I made enough room in the box that I could have stuff coming off the edge. And I did that on purpose. So I'm just going to find a good spot to put this. Of course, I did put one of the little hearts on the back. And then I'm going to put this here, but I think I'm going to pop it up. I gave myself enough room for a lot of things. So let me just pop this up. I have this one last square from something I was making. Just put that in the middle. And then I'm going to put glue on it to make it extra holdy. And I'm going to put it right there. And then I need something here, some kind of wordy bit right there. So let's check the stickers and see. I kind of want to do This Story Matters. Should we do This Story Matters? And then pop it up on foam. All right, where's my foam? Here's the foam. And I need my junky scissors. I don't want to ruin newer scissors. Okay. I can do This Story Matters. And I think right here looks good. And then we'll do 1, 2, and 3. I think so. Okay. I wanted to put a frame around here, but the only frame that came in the ephemera I thought was too thick. See, it would have been too thick. I didn't like that. Oh, nope. Oh, there it is. Okay. So let's pull this off. Put some glue down and get it in a good spot. Because let me tell you, this story does matter. My precious little boy. I think I'm going to do the bigger heart over here. And then these 2 smaller hearts over here because there's just a little bit more room. Yeah. I'll have it going crooked onto the photo. And then we will get our straws in place for our box and get this put away. I also need to make a card with the year on it. But I might do that in a short because I didn't think of doing it because I didn't have the straws. I didn't think of doing it last month when I made the box. So this is it. I think it looks cute. What do you guys think? All right, let's get it in the box. So what I did when I had the temporary one in that I cut was just put it on and then try to get it equal. All right, so there we go. That's as good as it's going to get for now because there's only one card in here. But once it's filled up, it'll be so much better. Thank you so much for joining me today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I was not sad. I'm very proud of myself for not crying this whole time. It's been, like I said, this is going to go up in February. It's still January. It's been a hell of a week. Also, I have all of this ephemera here that I'm going to do, and I'm going to put on a photo sheet, but I'm going to do that obviously off camera, and then everything is just going to go back in the big 2-gallon Ziploc bag. Not in the package, because that is what I am using this year to do this until I run out of paper. All right. Thank you so much for joining me today. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next crafty video. Have a great rest of your day.